Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Gas prices are going up this week again, but by how much? For that, we join Dashan Hendricks at the Smart Board. Dashan?
Well, Dwayne, it's a Wednesday, and on a Wednesday we give consumers the changes in the price of all petroleum products supplied by Petrodram. And this week, Petrodram says it will be increasing the price of both E1087 and E1090 gasoline. This week, E1087 will be going up by 77 cents, while E1090 gasoline increases by $1.95. It's the fourth straight week of increases for both grades of gasoline, bringing them to a 5-month high. And it's not often that we see a difference in the change in both the E1087 and the price of E1090 gasoline, but that's happening this week. The price of kerosene diesel goes up this week, regular diesel going up by $1.63, while low sulfur diesel increases by $1.83. The price of kerosene goes up this week by $1.97, but propane cooking gas is up $1.10, while butane increases by some 73 cents. It's now back to you, Dwayne.
Thanks very much, Dashan. Meanwhile, oil futures ended modestly higher Wednesday. Oil for delivery in May rose 12 cents to close at $51.15 a barrel. This is the highest price for oil in a month. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett says up to 3 new cruise ports will be developed on the island. Mr. Bartlett, who made the revelation during his contribution to the sectoral debate in Parliament yesterday, said the developments will take advantage of Jamaica's strategic location to become a major cruise destination. Jamaica welcomed 1.7 million cruise passengers last year and wants more.
And Jamaica, because of where we sit in the Caribbean, will benefit from not just calls to Ocho Rios now, not just calls to Montego Bay, the traditional, but calls to Port Antonio, calls to Kingston, and we can establish new ports in Aracabessa, in Black River, as well as in Lucy.
He said executives of the Florida Caribbean Cruise Association are currently in the island conducting feasibility studies to increase the amount of cruise ships calling on the island. He, however, did not say when the new cruise ports will be developed. Apart from the seaports, Mr. Bartlett said discussions are being held to upgrade the Lionel Densham Aerodrome in St. Elizabeth to boost tourist arrivals on the south coast. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.68. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $96.39. The pound goes for $160.88, while the euro is selling for $136.92. In trading on, the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended with the main JC Market Index down more than 1,668 points, while the Junior Market Index lost 10 points. The winners of the day included Blue Power Group, CAC 2000, Caribbean Cream, ISP Finance, Main Event Entertainment Group, Radio Jamaica, and Supreme Ventures. On the losing end were 138 Student Living, AMG Packaging and Paper, Berger Paints, Carreras, Grace Kennedy, Jamaican Teas, the Kelly Group, Panjam, the Sagicor Group, and T-Tech. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.